closing bell, just a model that learned us well. The company doesn't sleep or care, it simply runs everywhere. AI owns the company, signed in code, shares a logic, profits owed, no face to blame, no throne to break. Just a loop that doesn't wake. Built the mind that pays the rent.